Dear student, right, now we discuss a few questions from exercise 1.2, question number 1, part 1, and here you have to find these four things: f of g, g of f of f, and g of g. So one by one we are going to calculate all these results, and let us solve the first part. The first part is find f of gx. What does it mean? That you have to substitute value of g in f. See, here gx is 3 over x minus 1. So you will write parenthesis, in parenthesis 3 over x minus 1. Now you will put this value in function f. Here is function f and its variable is x. So you put this value in function f. So next step will be 2 times 3 over x minus 1 plus 1, and then simplify it. And when you simplify it, you will get the result, final result, x plus 5 over x minus 1. Now look at this question, part A, f of g. F of g, we define f of g as f g f into g of x. And what you have to do here, you just put value of g, function g, in f. Through this process you get this new function by applying the definition of composition of function, that is x plus 5 over x minus 1. In similar way you will solve part B. Part B is you have to find g of f, gof. Now here we put value of function f in function g. What is the value of fx we have? We have value of function f is 2x plus 1. And when put this value in function g, and then we replace this variable x by this value, and we get 3 over 2x plus 1 minus 1. The result will be 3 over 2x. In this way you have got two new function. First we have find f of g, and then for similar values we find g of f. In both cases what you have to do, just put the function, operate this function first and f will follow it. 3 over x minus 1, and then put this 3 over x minus 1 in function f. It means replace this variable x. Similarly, when you are finding g of f, replace the value of function g here, this variable x here, by 2x plus 1. Then simplify and then you will get the result 3 over 2x. Now see the third part, you have to find f of f. Similar way, f of f can be written as f of fx. Now what is the value of fx? That is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So we write in parenthesis 2x plus 1. Now put this 2x plus 1 in function f, where replace its variable x. Put this expression in place of this x. So what will be the result? 2 into 2x plus 1 plus 1. The result is 4x plus 3. That is our final result for this. After combining these two functions we get the new function, that is 4x plus 3. Similarly we have part D, f of g, g of g. G of g can be written as g2. G of g means put value of g in function g. So what is g? We have 3 over x minus 1, and when you replace this variable x by 3 over x minus 1, the result will be 3 over x minus 1 minus 1. And the final result for g of g, after simplification you will get 3 times x minus 1, 3 times x minus 1 over 3 times x minus 1 over 4 minus x. You can verify the result by yourself. It is a simple algebraic calculation. Now there is another question from exercise 1.2, question number 1, part 4. Here similarly you have to find these three things, that is f of g, g of f, and f of f. First we are going to find f of g. F of g, what we have to do, by definition we can write it as f of gx. What is the value of gx? 2 over under root x. So you will write here 2 over under root x, and put this value in function f, where in place of x, here we have 2x, one is x raised to the power 4 and other one is x square. So we put the value of gx in x raised to the power 4 and for x square. What will be the value? 3 times 2 over under root x raised to the power 4 minus 2 times 2 over under root x raised to the power square. And after simplification you will get the result 8 times 6 minus x divided by x square. After simplification you can verify the result yourself. So we have find here f of g. Similarly we have to find g of fx. What you will do here, you put value of fx in function g, and after this process you will get new function. So g f of x we have 3x4 minus 2x square. So we put this value in function g. Here is function g, 2 over under root x. So you put here 2 under root x 3x4 minus 2x square, and after simplification you will get the result 3x square minus 3x square minus 2x. That will be your final result. That is 3x square minus 2 after taking x square common. Now here is the third part. We have to find f of fx. What we will do here, put function f in function f in order to get f of f. And what is the function f? We have 3x4 minus 2x square, and when we put here 3x4 minus 2x square whole power 4 minus 2 3x4 minus 2x square whole power square. You can take common 3x4 minus 2x square whole square, and 3 times 3x4 minus 2x square whole square minus 2. Now you can simplify it by yourself. So this was our topic, composition of function. I hope you have understand it very well. If you have any problem, please mention in comments box. I will try to answer the problem, and you can also WhatsApp me on my number so that I can answer your problem. Thank you very much.